Today we're going to solve a homogeneous differential equation. So we have here given x cos y over x plus x minus y dx plus x dy. So as you can see, since this is simpler, we will let our y is equal to vx and our dy of course is equal to v dx plus x dv, and our v is equal to y over x. So let us now substitute. We will have x cos vx over x plus x minus vx, that will be dx, and plus x, and our dy is equal to v dx plus x dv is equal to 0. So let's simplify. So we will have x cos, this will be cancelled, v plus x minus vx dx plus vx dx plus x squared dv is equal to 0. So let's group all the dx. We will have x cos v plus x minus vx plus vx dx plus x squared dv is equal to 0. So as you can see, this can be cancelled and we're left with x cos v plus x dx, and let's transfer this one, that will be negative x squared dv. So we can factor out x, so this will be x cos v plus 1 dx is equal to x, of course, negative x dv. So this can be cancelled out. We are left with cos v plus 1 dx is equal to negative x dv. So now we will do separables. So we will have dx over x is equal to negative dv over cos v plus 1. So we will now integrate. So we will integrate this first. So we will have negative, but first we will multiply this 1 over cos v plus 1 to 1 minus cos, 1 over cos v plus 1 multiplied to 1 minus cos v over 1 minus cos v. We will multiply this so that our integration, or our process of integration, will be much easier. So this will result to the integration of 1 minus cos v over 1 minus cos squared v dv. So we all know that 1 minus cos squared v is equal to sine squared. So we will have 1 minus cos v is equal to sine squared v dv. So we can further simplify this by having 1 minus sine squared v dv minus the integration of cos v over sine squared v dv. So we will have we know that 1 over sine squared v is cosecant squared v dv minus, of course, this one, cos v over sine squared v dv. And the integration of cosecant squared v is actually negative cot v. And with this one, we will do let u. So we will let u is equal to sine v, and our du is cos v dv. So our dv is equal to du over cos v. So let us substitute. We will have integration of cos v over u squared du over cos v. So this will be cancelled. We are left with du over u squared. Let's put the u squared in the numerator. That will be negative raised to negative 2 du. So having the integration, we will have u raised to negative 1 over negative 1 plus c. Since we already have the integration, this is no longer needed actually. Sorry for that. So the negative sign will be cancelled. It will be plus 1 over u plus c. So let's write this one. So that will be negative cot v plus 1 over u plus c. So let's bring back the value of u. Our u is sine v plus c. So with this, we will simplify this further. We know that cot v is equal to cosine v. This is negative. We know that cot v is equal to cosine v over sine v. So we write cosine v over sine v plus 1 over sine v. With this, we can combine. So that will be 1 minus cos v over sine v plus c. And with this, we know that 1 over cos v over sine v is actually tan v over 2. This would be plus c. This is based on the identities. So with that, we have this as the simplified version. So we will now integrate the other side, this one. So this one is, of course, dx over x is, we all know that the integration of this is equal to ln of x. So let us continue. This would be ln of x plus tan v over 2 is equal to c. So we will put e here. So this will be cancelled, and we will have x e raised to tan v over 2 is equal to c. So let's put, since our v is equal to y over x, let's put back the value of our v. So we will have x e raised to tan, our v is y over x, so that will be y over 2x is equal to c. So this will be our answer. Formula or general equation. However, we have a condition. We have a condition at y is 2 is equal to pi. So we will obtain a particular solution. So that will be at y is equal to pi and x is equal to 2. We will have 2. Our x is 2, so that will be 2e raised to tan. Our y is pi, so that will be pi over 2 times 2, since our x is 2, is equal to c. So this will be e raised to tan pi over 4 is equal to c. So if you will input this in the calculator, we will have that e raised tan pi over 4 is equal to 1. So we will actually have 2e is equal to c. So our c is equal to 2e, and we will have our final answer as xe tan y over 2x is equal to 2e. So this is now our final answer.